Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your current VPN is active and you're logged into the device where you use YouTube. Next, pick the target country or specific server. Closer servers reduce lag and speed issues. Once selected, close the YouTube app or browser tab and clear cache or sign out. This prevents regional cookies from sticking. You do these steps now so that, when you flip the VPN, it's a clean switch, and YouTube will negotiate the new region without old session data interfering. With your YouTube session cleared, open your VPN app and connect to the chosen server. Watch the connection status and ping so you can switch if speeds spike. If your VPN supports split tunneling, enable it to route only the browser or YouTube app through the VPN. This reduces bandwidth use elsewhere. Once the VPN shows a stable connection, reopen YouTube in a fresh tab or app instance and sign back in. This forces YouTube to detect the VPN region and serve localized content or catalog. Now confirm the change by checking YouTube trending, location-specific channels, or a geo-restricted video. You should see content for the new region. If playback stutters or YouTube blocks access, switch to another server in the same country, restart the app, or reboot your device to refresh DNS. If YouTube still shows the old region, clear app data, reset browser cookies, or toggle the VPN off and on. Remember, changing servers or DNS usually resolves the majority of issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.